Hi all, welcome to Simple Engineering, Engineering Simplified. I am Neetu Rahul. Today we are going to discuss about time domain specifications. Let's move to the video. Time domain specifications. In this, we are going to discuss about delay time, which is denoted as TD. Next is rise time, which is denoted as TR. Then peak time, which is denoted as TP. And maximum overshoot, which is denoted as MP. And the last one is settling time, which is denoted as TS. So delay time means it is a time taken for the response. It is the time taken for the response to reach 50% of the final value. So delay time means 50% of the time, final value. And rise time means it is the time taken for the response to raise from 0% to 100% for the very first time. For example, if we take a graph and we have time in the x-axis and C of t output in the y-axis. So our response will be like this. I am taking as here it is 1 and this is the maximum value and here it is 0.5 and here it is C of TP, the peak value. So your delay time will be TD and your rise time is from here it is rising. So this is your rise time TR and your TP is the maximum peak time. So this is TP and maximum peak overshoot means that is denoted as MP. So this is the damped oscillation response of a second order system. In that we are finding all the specifications, that is delay time, rise time, peak time, maximum overshoot and settling time. So in order to find this we have equations, that is your settling time, it is denoted as TS. So TS will be equal to 4 by zeta omega n, or this is for 2% tolerance. For 2% tolerance, your settling time is equal to 4 by zeta omega n, or you can write it as 4t, where t is equal to 1 by zeta omega n. Then for 5% tolerance, your settling time Ts is equal to 3t. That is t is equal to 1 by zeta omega n. So it is 3 by zeta omega n. So that is your settling time. Next you have rise time, peak time, maximum overshoot. So TR, that is your rise time, which will be equal to pi minus theta by omega d. Then maximum peak overshoot MP, that we are finding in percentage. So it is equal to e power minus zeta pi by root of 1 minus zeta square. So this is the equation for finding maximum peak overshoot. Then TP peak time, that will be equal to pi by omega d. Then we know that omega d is the damped frequency, which will be equal to omega n into root of 1 minus zeta square. Hope this is clear for everyone. If you find this useful, please share it with others. Thank you.